Welcome to this class. I'm really glad you chose to begin your day here. This meditation is designed to help you start your day with clarity, calmness, and intention. Instead of rushing into your day, this practice gives you space to first connect with yourself so that whatever you choose to do today comes from a place of awareness, balance, and presence. You can practice this meditation seated in a comfortable position with your spine gently upright, or lying down if your body needs rest. Just allowing yourself to stay awake and aware. There is nothing to achieve here. Just allow yourself to arrive. Once you are comfortable in your first position, when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose and slowly exhale. Bring your awareness to your breath. No need to control. Just notice the natural rhythm, the gentle movement of your chest. Notice how your body feels this morning. Without judgment, without needing to change anything. Just observe. Allow the body to soften. Allow the mind to settle more. Now, gently deepen your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue for a few more rounds. This breathing practice signals safety to your nervous system. Each inhale invite freshness into the body. Each exhale release any leftover tension from yesterday. Continue 5 more rounds on your own. Now, bring awareness to your entire body. Feel the subtle aliveness within, the quiet energy, breath moving in and out. As you breathe, with inhale, imagine a gentle golden light entering your body. This is the energy and freshness of a new day. This energy is full of possibilities. With each exhale, allow your body to receive it. Let this light spread through your chest. Feel this light in your arms, spine, legs. Feel the awakening within yourself. Now, bring your awareness inward to your mind space and ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? It's not about what you need to do, but how you want to experience your day. Peaceful, focused, joyful, present, or something else. Let one word or feeling arise naturally. Once you know, we'll mentally repeat this again. You can say, "Today I choose to feel," and now whatever your word is. Allow that feeling to settle in your body as if it's already true. Now, we deepen this intention. Mentally, repeat after me. I am present in this moment. I move through my day with clarity. I trust myself and my path. I respond with awareness, not reaction. I am grounded, calm, and focused. I carry this energy into everything I do. Let each statement land slowly. Feel it, not just as words, but as a state of being. Now, release all effort. Let go of affirmations. Let go of visualizations. Just sit in stillness. Observe the breath. Observe the body. Observe the quiet awareness within. Nothing to do, just be. Now slowly begin to deepen your breath. Feel your body again, the space around you. Remember, how you begin your day shapes how you live your day. And today, you began with awareness, with intention, with presence. Carry this with you, not as something you try to hold, but as something you return to again and again. Even in busy moments, even in challenges, you can always come back to your breath, back to yourself. Before we close, let's take one final deep breath in and a slow exhale out. Gently begin to bring small movements into your body again. And when you're ready, you can slowly open the eyes. Thank you for starting your day with me today. Your presence here, your willingness to pause and connect with yourself is something truly meaningful. If this meditation supported you, I would love to hear how you feel in the comments. If you would like to continue practicing together, you can subscribe to the channel for more guided meditations, yoga, and mindful practices. Take this energy with you into your day. Move with awareness, act with intention, and stay connected to yourself. Wishing you a beautiful, balanced, and meaningful day ahead. Looking forward to connect in the next class. Namaste.